Hey, it's that time of day again. It's Bellringer time. Woo! Da 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 do 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 da 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 do do. All right. Da 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 do do do. Hey now. Da 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 do do. Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class. You might learn a ton. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class. All right, so yesterday was the test, and I noticed people had a lot of issues with, especially the constructed response questions, right? Like this one. The elderly man went to the hospital, blah, 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 blah. State whether the pea seedling could have continued to grow and develop in the lung over a long period of time. They're just asking, do you know that peas are plants? And what thing do plants need that they wouldn't be able to get if they were buried inside of a man's lung would be light, right? That's what they're looking for in the answer. You needed to state that the pea seedling could not have grown because it wouldn't have any light or couldn't do photosynthesis or something like that. If light or photosynthesis was mentioned, you get no credit for that answer. So it's almost like the reading part was a distractor, right? You know, because they mentioned things like x-rays, you might have a tumor and blah, blah, blah. And some people just ran with that. They weren't reading the question. All right. So let's look at another one that I thought was interesting. Where were these you know. Most people did pretty well with this one, actually. Twins don't share everything. This was about epigenetics. They talk a lot about epigenetics, but really look at the question. It says, explain why the genetic material in an offspring produced by sexual reproduction contains genetic material that is not identical to the genetic material of either parent. Really, they're just looking to you to tell them, do you know that each parent contributes half of the genes for the offspring? And then because of sexual reproduction, they're mixing half of the genes, and that's what they're looking for. So some of you are still finishing up the test. Some of you need to retake the test. If you do, remember those things. And we're getting down to the less than a month, the nitty gritty. I think only like 18 days till the Regents, 18 school days. So good luck. All right, let's get to class.